Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear learners, welcome to my online video class. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tebamudupur Kaunia, Rangpur. Today I will discuss from English second paper, Unit 9, Lesson 5. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Surely you see some question mark. Now notice the sentences. They are funny, aren't they? That is a big car, isn't it? I am too small, aren't I? You are lucky, aren't you? How can you climb up the tree? He can climb up the tree, can't he? We don't do that, do we? There are many sentences here. Today's lesson is tag question. Our today's lesson is tag question. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define tag question. You will be able to identify tag questions or tag operators. You will be able to use of different tags. Definition of tag question. Tag question is a special grammatical structure. It is a statement followed by a tag or mini question. Look at the screen. You can see here the horse is running. Isn't it? The scenery is very beautiful. Isn't it? The scenery is very beautiful. The horse is running. We have used question isn't it in this sentence. Isn't it? Dear learners, now I am going to discuss rules for positive tag with a helping verb. Structure. The given sentence plus comma plus an apostrophe T plus subject plus question mark. You are a student, aren't you? They are going to school, aren't they? He is going to school, isn't he? I am giving some other examples. She is reading the Holy Quran. She is reading the Holy Quran. The tag question will be isn't she? Isn't she? He is playing cricket. The tag question will be isn't he? Isn't he? They are good players. Aren't they? Here verb are. Now I am going to next item. Rules for positive tags without auxiliary verb. He reads a book. In this sentence, there is no auxiliary verb. Reads principal verb. This sentence is in the present indefinite tense. So we have to auxiliary verb does. And we have to add an apostrophe T. That means we have to write doesn't. He reads a book, doesn't he? I saw him yesterday. Didn't I? They play cricket, don't they? In this way, we will practice. I am giving another example. She teaches us. Principal verb teaches, present form, present indefinite tense. The tag question will be doesn't she? Doesn't she? They follow the teachers. They follow the teachers. Principal verb follow, there is no auxiliary verb here. The tag question will be don't they? Don't they? Dear learners, now I am going to next item. Negative tag question structure. The given sentence plus comma plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus note of interrogation. Look at the screen. Vishal is not a bad student. The tag question will be is he? Vishal is a boy. It is masculine gender, so we have used he. They are not going to school, are they? They will not go to school, will they? Another example. She is not an expert women. Expert women. The tag question will be is she? Is she? In this way, you will practice. Tag form. Do not is equal to don't. Does not is equal to doesn't. Did not is equal to didn't. Am not is equal to aren't. Is not is equal to isn't. Are not is equal to aren't. Was not is equal to wasn't. Were not is equal to weren't. Have not is equal to haven't. Has not is equal to hasn't. Had not is equal to hadn't. Will not is equal to won't. Shall not is equal to shan't. Cannot is equal to can't. Could not is equal to couldn't. May not is equal to meant. Might not is equal to mightn't. Must not is equal to mustn't. Ought not is equal to oughtn't. Need not is equal to needn't. Dare not is equal to daren't. Change of subject. Dear learners, look at the left side. Subject of a statement. Shuma, noun. Rana, noun. The pronoun will be she in place of Shuma. The pronoun will be used he in case of Rana. We have to use they if we find everybody in the sentence. Everybody, they. Everyone, we have to use pronoun they. Everything, we have to use pronoun it. Allah or God, we have to use he. All plus noun, we have to use they. First person, second person, third person, we have to use we. Second person plus third person, we have to use you. Third person plus third person, we have to use they. Follow the examples. Shuma is a girl. The question is, isn't she? Rana is a boy. The question is, isn't he? Everybody saw you, didn't they? Allah can help me, can't he? Everything was lost, wasn't it? Allah is well, isn't? All is well, isn't it? All books are useful, aren't they? Runa and Shuma are clever, aren't they? I, you and he are lazy, aren't we? You and he are clever, aren't you? As well as, with, together, along with, accompanied by, and not, etc. Two sentences are added. The verb will be placed according to the first subject. Look at here. Runa as well as Shuma's sister is present. The question is, isn't she? The leader with his men was present there, wasn't he? Shimon and not his brothers has to go to market, hasn't he? You will try well. If neither, seldom, rarely, hardly, scarcely, barely, few, little, never, nobody, no one, nothing, none, etc. The statement is negative. In this case, the question will be affirmative. He hardly comes here. Hardly express negative sense, so we need not use not. He hardly comes here, does he? Neither of them came, did they? He has few friends, has he? A barking dog seldom bites. Does he? You will notice that hardly, seldom, rarely, scarcely, barely, little, never, nobody. These express negative sense. These express negative sense. Home activities. You will practice these sentences at your home. Everybody loves flowers. Everyone has a computer. He does not go to school. No one was there. I have a few friends. My dear learners, the question is more important. It is used in different situations, in different fields. If you practice this, you will be benefited from my teaching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.